Okay, now here is the finished product. And as you can see, the mohawk is there. And if your strings are a little bit too long on the top or anything like that, you can always just cut them. Just like if you're giving a haircut, you can just trim them away until they're their size that you want. So go ahead if you want to cut your the mohawk and trim it down. I'll probably do this to this one. There's a little bit of long strings up here, so I'll trim it down a little bit. And this is pretty much it. He is done. So I hope yours came out the same way as mine. He looks so cute. He's a handsome little fellow. You can even give him some eyebrows if you desire. Make him look angry. You can do anything. Just let your mind wander and be creative. So until next time, you guys have fun. Please share on Havoc Mayhem Creations if you make any of my items, or if you make any of your own items, or if you have any questions. There's a link on my channel that you can check out, and I share all my newest creations on there before I put them on YouTube. So check it out. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.